Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to insert a checkbox in Excel. Checkboxes in Excel are useful for creating to-do lists, forms, or interactive spreadsheets where users can mark items as complete. To get started, open your Excel workbook and go to the worksheet where you want to add the checkbox. In most desktop versions of Excel, you will need to enable the Developer tab first. Go to Excel Options, select Customize ribbon, and make sure the Developer option is enabled. As I'm using the web version, I don't have to turn on Developer mode. After you have turned on Developer mode, click on the cell where you want the checkbox to appear. Go to Insert, and if you are using the web version like me, you will see an option called Checkbox. Just click on it. The checkbox will be successfully added to the cell. You can also click on the bottom right of the cell and drag it down. This will paste the checkbox into multiple cells at once. Keep in mind that checkboxes may not be available in all Excel versions, especially in some web versions where form controls are limited. And that's it. We just learned how to insert a checkbox in Excel using the Developer tab. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.